Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do an Allure unboxing with this hot guy right here. This is my son Anthony, and he is going to be unboxing my Allure special edition. So it's super exciting because it is curated by
Morphe?
Close. Jaclyn Hill. So I'm gonna let him do the unboxing and let's see what we get. So
Alright, sounds good. Okay. Hello everybody, my name is Anthony. A little bit nervous, but are we starting with the Allure or the Jaclyn Hill?
we're gonna do the Allure.
Okay, so this is the Allure pack. Don't know much about it, but it sounds good. The beauty box. Let's open her up. So it comes with a nice little shoebox opening, and then it comes with a cute little message inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. That says, I consider myself limited edition, so they're really upselling it. Trying to make you feel special. I feel very special. So you get a little manual with promo codes inside. Always gotta love that.
Do you know who that is?
No, it's Kylie Jenner.
No, that's Jaclyn Hill.
Oh, Jaclyn Hill.
Yay!
And then $20 gift, $20 off your next gift for your husbands or significant others.
Sweet.
That looks good. Oh, should have covered the code. I don't know if that's used already. So it comes with little pull-away tabs like that, like you're reading your favorite book. Okay, so.
Isn't that exciting?
Yeah, that's very exciting. So we got the blending brush. I know my lovely lady Cynthia uses this all the time, I think. I don't know. But,
Ooh, Cynthia!
So it comes in a little package like this, and it's got the Morphe thing. And it's nice and cute. It says life's too short to blend in. Morphe babes blend the rules.
Should we open it?
Good. Yeah, sure. It sounds good.
All right, let's tear it open and see what it looks like.
So you get a nice crisp sound.
Nice.
Sounds
Love
good.
a new brush.
Gotta love it.
Oh,
It's
nice.
Comes with a little plastic cover to keep all your little brushes nice and prime. We're gonna get a nice close up on that. I'd love to brush my eyebrows with that. So that's good. A blending brush. Looks
Sweet.
good. So we're gonna put that to the side here. I think, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm excited about that. I love a new brush.
Bubble wrap to keep your items nice and safe. And we're gonna look at a nice purity made sample. This is good stuff. It's a 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. That's a good deal. And a nice 1 fluid ounce bottle. So there's plenty of stuff. What do you think about that?
Yeah. You know what? This is really popular. A lot of people like this to take off their makeup because it's a makeup remover and cleanser in one. I have tried it before and it does work good, but honestly, I think either I'm allergic to it or it's not my favorite. So I usually pass this on to my mom. But it's really an awesome product.
Okay.
So no shade.
Very cool. No shade.
Yeah, no shade.
Very nice. We're gonna put that to the side, and then we got the Matte Waves texture lotion. Everybody loves some texture and look like a nice lady. I don't know if that can focus, but it's a nice, good amount. I don't know what this does. Can you explain this to me?
It's for your hair. So like if you put it on your hair wet and like you smush it in your hair like gel, it's supposed to like make like beach waves in your hair.
Oh, okay.
So my hair is pretty thick, so a lot of times it doesn't do exactly what it's supposed to do, but I don't know. You want to give it a try?
Sure, let's try it. I don't know if it'll work immediately, but we'll have to try that out someday or right now. I don't know if that was a joke. Okay, and then it comes with the Hourglass Mineral Primer, and it's a veal color. That's good stuff.
That's awesome. Do you want to see something?
Yeah, sure.
Really cool. So I actually have the full size.
Oh, okay. So she's showing off right now. She's got the full size.
It's my favorite.
It's a big one, so I don't know what it does, but I guess we need to shake it well and apply it to your fingertips, and yeah, probably makes you nice and shiny, right?
It's actually a very high-end bougie product, but it is a primer. So before you put on your makeup, it makes your skin smooth. It fills in your pores, so you look flawless like Jaclyn Hill.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Need that, and then we also got a mascara. We all know what this is for, ladies and gentlemen, if there's any watching. Yeah, this is all good stuff. It's a nice black color and very professional. Looks like a nice little pretty box there. You can go and explain that. It looks awesome to me.
Well, you guys know that Dior is my favorite. So I am super happy because I've been living off samples, and it's another sample, so I haven't had to buy it. So, son, Jaclyn did me right in this box.
All right, I'll try not to lose that one. Okay, so we're nearing the end of the box here. Got a little fun confetti here. Looks good. And then we got one little extra surprise here. Looks like some foundation, maybe? Shimmering Skin Perfector Press. It's one of my personal favorites. You crack this bad boy open, and then you get a nice little mirror there. More bang for your dollar. And you can see all your flaws and all that, but there's nothing better than a little bit of makeup to change all that. So you can go ahead and explain that one. That looks fun to me.
I'm going to tell you that Jaclyn Hill actually created this with Becca. So it's by Becca Cosmetics. Okay. So this is her personal one, and it's Champagne Pop. And she is the queen, to me, she's the queen of highlight.
Okay.
So this is a highlight that she created, and I'm super excited because I probably have every other one created by Becca except this one. So this is awesome, and I'm super excited to wear it. So I haven't dug into anything because I wanted you to be the first, or for us to be the first to see it together. So
okay, yeah. Very cool. So that'll probably highlight your face. Very nice.
All right, guys. Well, that is what I got in my Allure box, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you want to see this guy some more, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up if you love Jaclyn Hill, and if you love Jenny in real life. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to see my face pop up in your feed. We love you guys, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye, thanks.